Hey, happy Friday. Hope everybody's had a wonderful day. The thing that came up in the practice today, and it's come up before, and unfortunately it comes up on a relatively often basis, is, this is an adversarial business. And by that, I mean it's antagonistic. You represent one party and you're the opponent of another party, and you're both seeking some sort of affirmative relief from the justice system. Where that becomes problematic is when those cases involve children. I've heard many a mediator and many a judge say the only people who win when parties can't collaborate are the lawyers. And that's not really a win for the lawyers, but that means you're down at the courthouse spending resources, time, legal fees, etc., building your case and putting forth your case and seeking judicial relief on problems you cannot solve for whatever reason. But, here's something to put all that into perspective. When your children are born, there's a finite amount of really magical time. Those tender years, the Santa Claus years, those summers. There's only 18 summers. That boils down to less than 4 years. That's really all it is. And if you're splitting that time with your former spouse, that is down to 2.5 years over the course of the 18 summers you'll have with them. So don't waste that time fighting about unimportant things. Figure out a way to make it work. Collaborate on everything that you can and solve that problem without the need for court intervention. The court doesn't want to be your parent. They want you to effectively co-parent. I'm not the biggest fan of that word, but that's essentially putting positivity into that and doing whatever it takes to make it work. Anyway, hope this has been some help. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.